What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which we're going to be covering the DAR token or the Mines of Dalarnia token, the crypto used on that game, which has been really bullish the last, I think, month already. Or yeah, like the last 2 to 3 weeks has been, there has been a massive uptrend. It's not really a bull run right now. It's maybe a small bull run, but it's more like an accelerated uptrend. Volume as of right now is very high. It's twice the market cap, which is amazing. It's up 23%, so I thought it would be interesting to take a look at what we can do from here. And I think it would be foolish to say that this 1.5 level is the local top, at least based upon certain conditions. So I think we can get higher than this. But the main thing we would need to do is just break above 1.5. And as soon as we do that, I think we can actually get up to my price target between 1.7 and 1.75. From there, I'll obviously need to update it again because I do think we'll reject back to at least 1.5 from there. But first, let's focus on that price target and what that means. So I think the main thing we would need to do for that, and this is a little bit confusing, so I'm going to delete this key level. The main thing we did, but the main thing we should also do is we broke this level around, let's say, 1.25, more specifically between 1.21 and 1.28. We broke that. A couple of hours ago, we already took a break retest off of that. I think that as long as we stay above that level, there's going to be a very good chance to get to break 1.5 and get to our price target. But we might need to drop down there and kind of consolidate between that, because as you can see, there's also a trend line coming up, which is pretty strong. So if, for example, we hit that 1.25 level around like in 2 days, so that would be Thursday, I think we can actually have a pretty good shot at getting a nice, very strong bullish touch, something like this, off of that level, breaking 1.5 and getting up to our price target. So that's the main thing I'm looking at right now. Obviously, that could also be faster than that. In the end, we already took the break retest. But that's the most important thing, in my opinion, to look at right now. Staying above 1.25. We don't even necessarily need to break 1.5 soon. As long as we stay above 1.25, basically two things are happening. First of all, we're accumulating at higher levels, so that strengthens the price at a certain price area, which is already bullish, also for the short term, but also for the long term. And the other thing we're doing is building up momentum, in my opinion, to actually break that 1.5 later. And as soon as we break it, then all that momentum comes out, and we might even be able to shoot through 1.75. But my price target is 1.75 right now, and I got that price target for a reason. I don't think that will be very easy. If we do manage to break 1.75, my next price target would probably be $2. But as I said, that's a little bit too far in the future. So yeah, the other thing that could happen, but I think it's quite unlikely, is that we drop through 1.25, so that it does not hold. Then we would probably drop down to 1.12, and because that would be kind of a bearish indicator, I think we would also drop down to like $1. And upon that $1, I do think we're able to start up another uptrend, but that obviously wouldn't be great. But I think the chances of that happening right now are like 10%, so I wouldn't be too worried about that at this point of time. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on DAR. If you do have any questions about the analysis or anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. But as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Bye.